Welcome back, guys, to IronDrake's isolation cleaning tips. We don't want to see you buggerising around doing a number on your home, so let's look at some of the efficiencies you can use to save on wasted time. Follow me over to one of our main tools we use to save time, the utility belt. Here at IronDrake, us and all our employees wear one of these. Now, it can get like the wild, wild west out there, so you're gonna have to have the ability to do a quick draw. You know, you're gonna wanna have everything at arm's reach. Our main saying here is make every move count. So you've got your window cleaner, you got your grease cleaning thing, you get those tough bastards, you get that thing out. You get the real heavy duties, you got that there. You got everything you need for, you know, that situation where you go, oh, that's right, that thing downstairs, run downstairs, back upstairs, 2 minutes gone. Let's get rid of that. Buy one of these, 20 bucks from Bunnings Warehouse, and get yourself pumping. So stay tuned for the next episode where we'll actually run you through each of these tools and how they're used to save time cleaning your home.